In this simple tutorial, I'll walk you through how to update the category for your Airbnb listing. First off, why might you want to do this? Number one, it means that you can charge more per night, which means more revenue and more money in your pocket. Number two, it means that Airbnb is going to be able to push your Airbnb more to more guests, therefore causing even more earnings. So overall, it's a win-win scenario. And some of the categories in this is going to be like a tiny home, a camping, Arctic, or anything like a camper. Basically, it's something that's a little bit different than your typical apartment that a lot of Airbnbs fall under. So the first step is just going to be to click on the link, and it's going to bring you to the different categories and talk about it. We're going to click on request a category change. And then from there, it's going to go over the different categories. So there's quite a bit to choose from, and you could actually select up to 5 for your one Airbnb listing. Then we're going to click on this Elevate link right here. I'll leave both links down below in the description box, making it as simple as for you as possible. Once you click on the link, then you just want to click whatever listing you have and then click Add Category. From there, you can select whatever categories you will like. And like I said, you can add up to 5. Once you have all of them selected that apply to your listing, all you have to do is request the ad, and then Airbnb is going to confirm it based on your listing, and then you'll be approved. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out our website and newsletter for even more tips and tricks.